Hello friends, today I will discuss about the treatment of erectile dysfunction. What are the drugs used in the treatment of erectile dysfunction? First class is PDE5 blockers, phosphodiesterase enzyme blockers. We have examples like sildenafil, vardenafil, tadalafil, avanafil. This PDE5 enzyme is responsible for metabolism of cyclic GMP. Metabolism of cyclic GMP. So, if we block this PDE5, there will be accumulation of cyclic GMP which causes vasodilatation. Therefore, nitrates should not be given with sildenafil. Sildenafil. It is used in erectile dysfunction and it is also used in pulmonary hypertension. What are the side effects of sildenafil? We have headache, flushing because of vasodilatation and hypotension and nasal congestion. These are the side effects of sildenafil. Chronic use of sildenafil causes blue color vision defect. What are the other drugs? What are the other drugs used in erectile dysfunction treatment? Examples are apomorphine. This is D4 agonist. We have avaptadil. This is VIP analog. Naltrexone. This is a opioid antagonist. These drugs are also used in treatment of erectile dysfunction. What are the injectables? What are the examples for injectables? We have alprostadil. Alprostadil. This is a PGE1 analog. We have phentolamine. Phentolamine. This is non-selective alpha blocker. Next one is papaverine. This is a non-selective PDE blocker. Apart from erectile dysfunction, there is one more pathology called as premature ejaculation. Premature ejaculation. What are the drugs used in treatment of premature ejaculation? We can use SSRIs and we can use PDE5 blockers. For the treatment of delayed orgasm, we can use amantadine, buspirone, cyproheptadine. These are the drugs used in the treatment of delayed orgasm. You can remember like this: A, B, C. What are the examples for sexual stimulants? Sexual stimulants. We have zinc, yohimbine. So this is about the treatment of erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation and delayed orgasm. Friends, if you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.